Well, good morning, guys. We're here in our accommodation in Manila. It's been a really comfortable stay here, a really cheap place to stay, and it's had good internet, which has been lovely.
Yeah, and so it is located in Makati, close to lots of things, really clean, and so we can highly recommend the hop in here in Makati Avenue.
So today, we're going for breakfast.
We're going full Filipino, so we'll show you it. I like the vibe there. They're really friendly, and it's just always been full of people. So we wanted to show it to you.
Thank you, sir. And we're out on the noisy streets of Makati. Not too much traffic yet this morning.
And it's Sunday.
And here we are. Hopefully it's not too busy. Sunday morning, shouldn't be. During the week it's just packed. Alright, we're here. Hello, boss. How are you? So we're here.
Yeah. So I really like it here. You can smell the garlic before you get here because they put garlic in their rice, so it's really nice. And I think today I'm going to get the beef tara.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. How about you?
Beef for breakfast.
Beef for breakfast.
I don't know. Maybe lechon, maybe pancakes.
Looks like they have mango juice today.
Oh, really? She's got some?
Well, looks like mango juice. I'm not sure.
All right. Well, let's go and order something before it's not busy.
Want me to sit here?
You want beef?
Yep. Beef tara.
Hello.
Yes.
Can I get one beef tara?
With tapas?
Yeah.
You want with rice, ma'am?
Pardon?
With rice?
Yes, with
Do
rice.
you like rice, ma'am?
No more Filipino stuff.
From the egg?
Huh?
The egg?
Yeah, yeah. And do you have a lechon?
Crispy pork belly, ma'am?
Yeah, okay. Crispy pork belly with fried egg. And rice, no garlic. It's possible? No garlic.
Plain rice only?
Yeah, plain rice for the lechon. Garlic rice for the tapa. And 2 mango juice. Okay.
$5.35.
Thank you. Hello, sir. Is this where the magic happens? Hi. Hello.
How's that?
Yep, good. Beef tapa and lechon.
Oh, you got lechon.
Well, she said pork belly, so I'm not sure what the difference is. I thought lechon was pork belly. But we're still learning, so
Yes. There's a lot to learn about the food here.
we do have a lot to learn about the food here. So, yeah, we'll see what comes, but I'm pretty happy with pork belly. I also got plain rice with a fried egg. And yours comes with some kind of egg. I couldn't catch what she said. And I said garlic rice.
Perfect.
So you could have just the regular Filipino local. So, excited?
I'm excited, yep. And it's 7:20 on a Sunday morning. So although it's not like packed like it was through the week, it's still busy for 7:20 on a Sunday.
It is. So it's a really popular local
Yeah.
place, isn't it?
Love it.
So it must be really good. I mean, we know it's quite good because we've already eaten here
Yeah.
before, but this is our first time we've really gone.
Yeah, we went for bacon on the side the last time. So
Yeah,
this is
bacon
first
and
time.
eggs for me it was.
Yeah, and a bit of toast that we shared. So this time it's full Filipino.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, our food has arrived. Here is my beef tapas, and I've got a little chili in there, so I think that I use the soy and the vinegar. I think I learned that on the food tour to make some sauce for it. So I'm just gonna try that. I could be wrong, but
No,
seems to.
I think you're right.
That was a lot. All right. Let's see what it tastes like. There's a garlic rice, an egg, cooked, and a beautiful beef. That marinade's delicious.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
The garlic rice got a hit for you.
I love garlic, so I really like this rice. This isn't what you would normally have for breakfast, but I've always found whenever I travel or live abroad, like I throw the rules away. So I do it in Vietnam. I have noodle soup for breakfast. Here I'm having beef tapas. Excellent. And we even got some mango juice.
All right.
Yep.
And I've got pork belly. Crispy pork belly. And some sauce. Let me try the sauce. Quite good. Some rice. I got plain rice, no garlic in mine. So let's try a small piece. It's good. They certainly cook pork well in the Philippines. Yeah, that's good, guys. Nice bit of pork belly for breakfast. Set you right for your day. That'll set me on the right path for the rest of the day. All those jeepneys.
Nobody's gonna sneak up on you and kidnap you in a jeepney. They're not gonna sneak. Noisy.
Very noisy. All right, let's hook in.
All right, another meal demolished. One thing you'll see from me is I'm a pretty good eater.
Is that an understatement?
That's a bit of an understatement. But yeah, I don't believe in leaving food behind. But it was delicious. Very nice place to come. I like the vibes.
Yep. So this is just a short one, guys, to show you breakfast here in the Philippines.
At our local.
At our local here in Manila. It's, by the way, it's called Canto.
Kent.
All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. We're
Girls on the Loose.
bye-bye for now.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.